Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into the best no-pull adjustable large chest 24 to 38-inch dog harness on the market. The juxzh Truelove no-pull dog harness. Whether you're training a young pup or handling an enthusiastic adult dog, this harness claims to offer maximum control, safety, and comfort. So, let's put that to the test. Starting off with the basics, the juxzh harness is designed for dogs who need a secure yet non-restrictive fit. The model we're reviewing is in black, size extra small, which fits a chest girth of 13 to 17 inches, but don't worry, it's also available in sizes all the way up to extra large, accommodating chest sizes up to 38 inches. That means there's an option for nearly every dog breed, from tiny terriers to large shepherds. At first glance, the harness looks sleek and minimal, but the materials used are clearly built for durability. The outer layer is a scratch-resistant Oxford fabric, which gives it a tough shell that can withstand outdoor play and repeated use. The inner layer is lined with lightweight mesh and soft sponge padding in the chest and belly area. This isn't just a comfort feature, it also helps distribute pressure evenly, which makes a big difference when your dog pulls. The standout feature of this harness is its no-pull design. It has two leash attachment points, a V-ring on the back for regular walking, and a circular ring on the chest for training or discouraging pulling. When used properly, the chest ring gently redirects your dog when they lunge forward, helping them learn to stay close by your side. This gives you more control without putting stress on your dog's throat like a traditional collar would. What's also great about this harness is the safety consideration. The straps are made of nylon webbing embedded with 3M reflective material. That means better visibility during night walks or low light conditions. There's also a sturdy handle on the back that allows you to buckle your dog in for car rides or quickly grab them when needed. It's a small detail, but one that adds a lot of functionality, especially in unpredictable environments. Adjustability is another big plus. With multiple points to tweak the fit, you can ensure the harness hugs your dog's chest snugly without being too tight. The Duraflex buckles are lightweight but strong, and they snap into place securely. And the ergonomic design means it's easy to slip on and off, which both you and your dog will appreciate during daily routines. Before buying, it's important to measure your dog's chest at the widest part and leave a little room, about 2 to 3 centimeters, to avoid chafing or discomfort. Fortunately, juxzh includes a detailed size chart with helpful visuals, so you can pick the perfect fit without guesswork. Now, let's talk about real-world use. Whether you're walking through busy city streets, hiking off leash trails, or just training your pup in the yard, this harness holds up well. It stays in place, doesn't twist or ride up, and the control it offers through the front clip is especially useful for dogs that are still learning leash manners. Overall, the juxzh Truelove no-pull dog harness balances function and comfort better than most harnesses in its price range. It's easy to use, built to last, and stylish enough to suit dogs of all sizes and personalities. That's it for this episode of Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest product breakdowns. And let us know in the comments what gear you use for your dog walks. See you next time.